Namaste everyone, welcome to Times Health Plus. I am Apurva, your yoga instructor, and I come here every day to teach you, to guide you on your mats in your yoga journeys, to help you become flexible, stronger, but more importantly, more present. Let's get into the warrior practice that I was mentioning. We will try to do 5 warriors today. So अब हम बस 5 postures, 5 asanas का अभ्यास करेंगे. Not hard at all, and I will always give you variations so you can do the variation that works for you. Okay, quickly watch the first warrior that we'll practice. We will enter the warrior from a downward facing dog. So हम अधो मुखो श्वानासना से अपने warrior में enter करेंगे. Just watch first everyone. From your downward facing dog, you will keep the right leg forward. अगर आपका पैर आगे नहीं जाता है, if you feel that no matter how much you try, the leg is not going forward, no problem. Use your hand and slide the leg forward. Make adjustments. It's not a problem, okay? You can make the right adjustment for the body. From the left leg, you will try to place the heel down and you will slightly turn the foot out. So if I give you a close-up view, camera can we zoom into my feet? आप अपने पीछे वाले foot को slightly turn out करेंगे. So it's not facing forward. It's not facing completely out. It's just 15 degrees out. Okay, slightly and we'll touch the back heel down. With the front leg, आप अपनी knee को bend करेंगे. So something like this. Okay, अगर for any reason आपका heel पीछे touch नहीं होता है, no problem. You can keep the heel up and you can do this also. That's an easier variation. Okay, camera zoom out. So that was the feet position. Arm के position के लिए simple हम बस एक upward prayer pose करेंगे. So you'll bring your arms up and you'll just join the palms together and you will look up. इस combination को हम कहते हैं वीरभद्रासना 1. So let's practice it together everyone. Downward facing dog. Right leg forward. Slightly turn the back foot out. Slightly, 15 degrees. Try touching the heel down. It's okay if it doesn't touch down. Keep the front leg bent, front knee bent. Chest stays open. Stomach stays engaged, okay? Try not to arch your back like that. No, not required. Too much strain on the lower back. We will just keep the pelvis neutral. We'll keep the stomach tight. हाथों को ऊपर, we look up, we hold. 5. 4. You'll feel a deep stretch in the back calf muscle. That's absolutely okay. 3. 2. 1. And release the hands down everyone. We will go back to our downward facing dog. 1 deep breath. Again ready on the left side. Everyone slowly bring the left leg forward. You can use your hand to bring the foot forward. Slightly turn the back foot out. Touch the heel down. Front knee bent. Get the hips down. Bring your arms up. Join the palms together. Look up. Stay for 5. 4. Deep breaths. 3. 2. 1. And release. Hands down. Downward dog. Everyone put the knees down. Relax. Good job. Take a short break. That was your warrior 1. So warrior कई प्रकार के होते हैं. There are different variations to your warrior. This was warrior 1. Veerbhadrasana 1. Now as you're resting, let me show you warrior 2. So just keep watching. You will again start in your downward dog. You will again keep the right leg forward. This time the back leg will fully turn out. So this, turn it out 90 degrees. यानी कि आप अपनी back wall को face कर देंगे. You will open your arms and you will do something like this. So if you notice, if I show you my foot from this side, this is what is happening. My left foot is facing the front wall and my right is facing the right wall. Something like this. Okay, this is your warrior 2. Make sure you're not arching your back like this. Make sure you're not going too far forward. You're not staying too far back. Everything in center. Arms in one line, knee and foot in one line, hip down. ध्यान रखेंगे कि आपके दोनों फीट एक ही लाइन में हो, आगे पीछे ना हो. Okay, so you want to stay aligned and centered. Can we practice? Let's do it together. Everyone with me. Downward facing dog. Placing the right leg forward slowly. Turn the back foot out completely. Keeping the right knee bent. Adjust the feet. Make sure both feet are in one line. Right foot is turned out to the right side. Left foot is facing the wall in front. You open your arms. Palms facing down. Fingers open. Shoulders in one line. And you hold. Just practice deep breaths here. Excellent. Keep holding. Keep holding. And slowly, everyone, come down. Good job. Hands down, leg back, downward dog. One deep breath. We'll do the same thing on the left side. Left leg forward, right foot turns out. You open the arms and you stay. Hold. Deep breaths. Make sure your knee and foot are in one line, your arms are in one line. This position is very, very aligned. Okay, you're not doing too much with the body. And slowly, everyone, hands down, leg back, downward dog. Keep the knees down. Rest, breathe, relax. Take your breath back. Relax, rest the system. This was warrior 2. अब हम अगले 2 warriors सीखेंगे. I will show both of these warriors together because they are easy. They're pretty much similar to what we just practiced. So we will now practice our Vipareet Veerbhadrasana, which is the reverse warrior, and then we'll practice our Baddha Veerbhadrasana, which is the bound warrior. Okay, I will show you both of these together. Keep watching, rest, keep watching. हम फिर से अपने downward dog में जाएंगे. You will place the right leg again and you will turn the left foot. Just like your warrior 2, you will take the same position, okay? So these next 2 warriors are sort of like your warrior 2. We just have to change the positioning of our arms. So हम इसी position में रहते हुए we'll first practice a reverse warrior. This was warrior 2. Now you will just take your left hand, you will slide it down the left thigh and you will bring your right arm up. This becomes your reverse warrior. Your legs will stay unchanged. Legs will be where they are. From there, you will come forward. If the right leg is forward, the chest will come forward and you will try to bind your hands at the back. So आप अपने हाथों को पीछे इस तरीके से hold कर लेंगे. You will stretch it and you'll try to fold down like this. Okay, that becomes your Baddha Veerbhadrasana, bound warrior. Alright, and we relax and we switch on the other side. So we'll try to practice both of these warriors together. One is the reverse and the other is the bound. Everyone with me. Together. Downward facing dog. Right leg forward. Turn the left foot 90 degrees towards the left wall. First, you keep the left hand on your left thigh. You slide, you bring the right arm up. You go to your reverse warrior. Vipareet Veerbhadrasana, you stay there. Make sure you keep this foot very, very still. You keep it strong, still. Try not to put a lot of weight on the left leg. Gently, just let the side body stretch. Stay there. 3, 4, 5. Come back center, everyone. Continue. Try staying in your warrior. We will now practice our Baddha Veerbhadrasana. Hands back, roll the shoulders, arms out, and slightly try to fold forward. अगर आप ज़्यादा नहीं जा पा रहे हैं, it's absolutely okay. If your arms also are here, no problem, okay? And you stay as much as you can, and you hold. You can rest your chest slightly on the thigh, and you can give me something like this. Hold. 3, 4 deep breaths. 5, and release, hands down. Downward facing dog, 1 deep breath. Repeat, left side. Left leg forward, we turn the right foot out, completely 90 degrees, heel down, toes pointing forward. We'll first practice our reverse warrior. Your right hand slides down on your right thigh, left arm goes up, and you hold. Keeping the legs unchanged, stay there. Deep breaths. Let the side body stretch. This is a side bend for your spine. From there, come back center. This time you bind your hands at the back. You roll the shoulders. You push the chest down gently towards the right side. You come down. You still keep the legs very, very strong. Advanced practitioners, bring your hands all the way up, okay? And you stay there. Keep breathing, deep breaths. And slowly, hands down. Exhale, downward dog, and everyone rest. Relax, breathe. Good job, everyone. Deep breaths. Amazing. So these were the 4 warriors. There is one more warrior which is slightly more advanced. I will straight away add that in the flow. That is only an option for people who are advanced practitioners here. You can do the warrior 3 with me later on. Otherwise, you can skip it. These are the main 4 warriors that we will practice now. So now what we'll do is we will do the 4 warriors on the right side and we'll do the 4 warriors on the left side. I will add the last warrior also as an option if you want to practice. Okay, that's the last thing that we're doing today. Then your favorite part of the class, we will lie down, we'll cool down the body in our Shavasana. Take one deep breath. Remind yourself why you're here, what's your intention. Once you feel ready, everyone, let's begin. Remember, we'll practice all the warriors first on the right side. Then we'll practice all the warriors on the left side for 3 breaths each. Okay, this is going to be very, very fun. I call this the warrior flow. Okay, because now we're flowing from one pose to the other. Okay, we start in a downward facing dog, feet hip distance, inverted V shape, 1 deep breath. Everyone, we take the right leg forward between the hands, slightly turning the back foot out 15 degrees, keeping the front knee bent, back heel down, arms up. Warrior 1. Deep breaths, you will stay here. Front leg is bent, back leg is straight, stomach is engaged. Keep holding. Keep holding. From there, you open your arms, you turn your body towards the left side, you turn the back foot towards the left wall. Warrior 2, Veerbhadrasana 2, arms in one line. Keep following me. Quickly check your feet. Make sure both your feet are in center, aligned. Chest is right above the hip. Front leg bent, back leg straight. Deep breaths. From there, Vipareet Veerbhadrasana. Remember, the left hand slides on the left thigh, the right arm goes up. Legs remain unchanged, undisturbed. Try looking up, hold, maintain a very, very strong body. Strong stomach, strong legs. Deep breaths. Advanced practitioners, if you can go deeper in the pose, try going deeper in the pose. From there, Baddha Veerbhadrasana, hands back everyone, continue, try not to stop. Let the legs remain unchanged. You can rest your chest slightly on the thighs. Lift your arms up. Deep breaths. And finally, I'm adding on a challenge. You can do this or skip this, that's up to you. You will now Use your hands, you will shift weight on the front leg and you will try to pick the back leg up. Something like this, okay? You can rest your hands on the mat or on the block. Advanced practitioners, you can lift your hands up. This becomes your warrior 3. This is only an option, you can skip this. Beginners, you can skip this, okay? And everyone, हाथ को नीचे रखते हुए, leg back, downward facing dog. Amazing, those were your 5 warriors. One deep breath. One last time, we'll also do it on the left side. Maintain high spirits, keep a smile on your face, and we go. Left leg forward, right foot slightly turns out, touch the heel down, front knee bent. Raised arms pose, Veerbhadrasana 1, warrior 1, look up, stay. Very, very strong, okay? Try to stay undisturbed. Deep breaths. Your foot is very active. Your toes are crunching on the mat. You're really pushing the foot down. From there, warrior 2, you turn the back foot further out, 90 degrees. You open your arms. Front leg stays bent, arms open, shoulders in one line. Quickly look down, check if your feet are in one line, center. The heel in line with the mid arch of the back foot. Chest को अंदर, rib cage को अंदर, stomach engaged. आपके hips को squeeze करेंगे gently. From there, the back hand, your right hand slides down on the right thigh. Your left arm goes up. You hold. This is your Vipareet Veerbhadrasana, reverse warrior. Keep holding. Advanced practitioners, you can widen your warrior if you like. From there, almost there everyone, Baddha Veerbhadrasana, hands back. You can rest your chest slightly on your thighs. Stay there, hold. I know your legs are burning. It's a good thing everyone. Stay, stay, stay. Keep breathing. Deep breaths. Finally, option to keep your hands down, to lift the back leg up in your warrior 3. You can use blocks if you like. Advanced practitioners, you can release your hands. You can make this T shape from the body. This is your Veerbhadrasana 3. And everyone, हाथों को नीचे, leg को पीछे, downward facing dog. Knees down, head down, hips down. Child's pose, rest, relax and breathe.